Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It was a rather boring day, unfortunately, despite the CPI data that was released. Okay, it didn't really deviate much from the market forecast, but it didn't, not much happened, to be honest. So it was a rather boring day. Bitcoin did grind along here and possibly filled out its X wave here in yellow. In the previous video, I informed you about a potential resistance level here at 26,370. It got rejected there. So it leaves the possibility intact that we get a lower B wave here. And that after that, only after the B wave, the C wave to the upside is starting. I did highlight to you that I will change my view that this is the ideal. Well, this is the ideal structure. I would prefer to see a lower Y wave in B, but it would need to follow through to the downside now. If it breaks above the intraday high, I think then the B wave was already in here, which is definitely a possibility. This is a 3-wave move to the downside. So technically also nearly touched the 50% retracement level. Technically the B wave could have been in, but the thing is, this move up was not an impulse. So had we seen an impulse, easy, but it wasn't an impulse. So it leaves different interpretations here alive, which means that we can still watch for a potential lower B wave deeper into the support area. And the support is between 25,260 and 25,730. So this is the relevant support area for the B wave. Again, it can overshoot. It can be a little bit shorter than that. That's what B waves do. You need to understand the behavior of the different waves. And therefore, with the B wave, we need to be flexible. Okay. So I'm very open to the idea that, the low could be in, absolutely. But it would need to prove that by giving us a move above at least 26,037. Yeah, so basically the intraday high. It's actually 26,420. Yeah, I was just reading the resistance level here, but no, that's the intraday high. And then obviously follow through and break above the A wave high. So to keep it simple, the expectation is still for going higher, either in the yellow wave count, but it would in the yellow wave count first go down and then move up a little later in this C wave of wave 2. That's sort of the pathway where it goes lower first, deeper into support in a WXY structure and would then move up. But it starts to look more and more to me as if it wants to go up directly because it doesn't really come down. So we'll see. I mean, so a break above this resistance level here would shift the odds more directly towards the direct move to the upside. It would then not have to come down lower, and it would only be possible though if the wave 1 here was a leading diagonal. That's the white wave count, then the B wave completed, and we're following the white wave count. At the moment I'm still in favor of the yellow one, but honestly I'm fairly neutral about it. It really is all dependent on this level here and then the A wave high. Ultimately the objective is to go higher, and again, this is how the 5-wave move would look like if we go up more directly. Then this could be a wave 2, and follow through directly. That's possible. Then, as soon as this 5-wave move is done, either more directly or after a low and then going higher, we would watch for a rejection in this resistance area, possibly between 26,930 and 27,480. However, a 5-wave move above resistance again would shift probabilities towards a more lasting rally. So basically, the idea currently is that we will still see a further decline, but if the price breaks above resistance and it follows through and breaks above the end of August high, then we have to assume that a lasting low has already been made and that we are heading towards 40K. Not in one go. There will then be a pullback afterwards, but we're not there yet. So at the moment, the focus is generally still on the downside as long as we get 3 waves, A, B, C, into resistance. If we get 5 waves above resistance, things are going to change, and I will keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to the weekly live stream. Every Sunday we do one, so in a few days you'll have the next live stream scheduled. Then you get access to Discord and Telegram, lots of educational content. Also the chat rooms are there, live chat. Plus, as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates, even in between videos. And yeah, just a great community. So maybe we'll see you there, and have a great day. Bye-bye.